your tongue and travels fast down towards your lungs. All because I feel the pressure. It's coming down on me. It's turning me black and blue. Oh, won't you left me on the side of the road? And now I've got no place to go. You broke the floor.
Hi, I'm Brianna. Just to prove something to y'all, I don't own any of these songs, so nobody yell at me. Please don't yell at me. Please don't yell at me. I'm a innocent person. Alright, so guess what I've decided? I've decided not to wear my hat. And in case you didn't notice, there's something different about me. Think you can put your finger on it? Can't? No? Well, my hair is black now, so yeah. I'm a freaking emo kid, so get used to it. And if y'all are gonna pick on me and call me an emo piece of shit, as that one chick said, Princess Crunk, who is now XIG's X. If you're gonna be like that, then you can just get the heck off my page. Cause I don't give a crap about what you're gonna say, so. Okay? This page is all about positivity. But today, I'm not so positive today. I'm pretty much gloom and doom today because I started my day off bad. I had a stomachache today, and then after I got done out of the shower after dyeing my hair, I ended up breaking the shower curtain. I seemed to ruin everything. So yeah, I ruined the shower curtain today, but you know, it's all good. So my mom. And I was just getting yelled at all day. I don't know why. Today's just not my day. My friends were mad at me, and they decided, well, I'm not gonna be mad at her, because they're pulling and tugging on me, so. Anyways, but one good thing actually 2 good things, so 3 good things happened today. I got to go to Walmart right after school with my friends. I got to see my best friend in the whole wide world, who I almost dated, and I got to see what my hair looks like black, and it looks good! But other people say that it doesn't. I can swear to God that I almost look like Andy Six's little sister. Even though I'm not that hot. But, you know, I could be. But, anyways, how's your guys' day going? Mine's going great. Right now, I get to go over to my friend's house later. Yay! Plugs! So, yeah. That's my life right there. Yep. I get to party at a friend's house. Because, in case you didn't notice, I do have actual friends who do act their age. And some of them actually act older than what they are. One of them's actually going to be graduating, or supposed to be graduating this year. She's not sure if she is yet, though, but she's, like, smarter than me. So, no, Bernie. But yeah, anyways, yeah, I'm bored. I'm waiting for my friend to call me and stuff. I'm very excited because she's cleaning her room right now. So, yeah, she's not allowed to have any of us until they're cleaning her room. So, yeah. So yeah, I'm wasting you guys' time because I'm bored and stuff. So I think I'm gonna clip some things out of this video. So bye.